Hey guys, I've got 5 back workouts you can do with just dumbbells.
Okay, so this first workout I'm doing is a dumbbell row. The muscle group that it's hitting is the lats. Sets to reps, 4 sets, 8 to 12 reps. This is called a chest supported row. The major muscle it's hitting is your lats and lower back. 8 to 12 reps and 3 to 4 sets recommended. Okay, this is a dumbbell pullover. The major muscle that this workout's going to be hitting is your lats. The recommended reps are same again, 8 to 12 and about 4 sets. Rear lateral raise, and it's 4 sets of 10. Major muscle group is posterior deltoids and upper back. Okay, this workout is the dumbbell W raise. This is going to work your serratus anterior. 4 sets, 8 to 12 reps. Okay guys, that's all I got for you. Please like and subscribe and have a good day.